This is a food worker's beard protector. It makes it easy to apply the first layer of coffee filter to the face. It holds it in place while one applies the Scotch tape around the back of the head to make it all snug. This is the beard protector with a coffee filter stapled inside it. That's just to make it easy to keep the beard protector and the filter aligned to cover the face. We're going to pull this over the head now. Now the beard protector with the coffee filter stapled to it is simply slipped over the head and sits in front of the face where it would be effective. But it's not very snug and there are a lot of openings on the sides, so we're going to do something about that by just using Scotch tape running around the back of the head and attaching to the sides of the face mask. The beard protector is a convenience for locating the coffee filter on the face, but it's not necessary. Here we simply have the coffee filter with a bit of Scotch tape attached to it. That's going to go around the back of the head. Here is the result. A face mask that is quite effective. I'm quite sure much better than a scarf, and made of a coffee filter and some Scotch tape. Scotch tape is to make it fit fairly snugly around the face. Here it is with just one strip of Scotch tape running around the back of the head. I don't know if you can see it there. You might be able to. And I might want to put another strip under here, pull this in tighter, put as many strips as I want. So just take long strips of Scotch tape that you're going to attach to one side of the mask, put around the back of the head, and attach the other side of the mask. Doesn't have to be very tight. It's not uncomfortable. Very simple. Like any good application, it might be improved by an add-on. This particular setup has 3 coffee filters on the outside, the add-on so to speak, and 1 filter on the inside taped tightly to the face to fit the contours of the face. I'm quite sure that this is as protective as any filter on the market that's not a true N95. And I'm sure it's a lot better than a scarf. So there you have it, an add-on that brings a smile to the dilemma that we are in.